Hey folks, DevilDog.Games here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on something that I'm working on. I decided I wanted to start 3D modeling because I'm scratch building a ProMod chassis in styrene tube, and I thought it would be handy to have a template that I could print and use when building these chassis, something that I could tweak and adjust and then print out the adjusted chassis schematic so that I could follow when building chassis for different cars. This chassis is the original template. It hasn't been adjusted to fit the car that I'm working on now, which is actually an old 83 G body. It's a Grand Prix, Pontiac Grand Prix. Um, was a stock car, but I'm going to turn it into a Pro Mod style drag car, and this is the basis for that chassis. Um, this is not a completed work. This is just like the initial build. I'm going to fine tune a lot of these tubes and adjust the corners, and I'll adjust the layout, and I'll add some bracing where it needs to be, and maybe remove some things that don't need to be there. But like I said, this is just the initial process. I have a scanned copy of a ProMod chassis schematic that I found online. I'll share that to you here. I actually am using that as a template to build this. So I've got a top view and a side view, and I've scaled them appropriately. And then I just go into my side view or my top view, and I just follow the pattern. And I'm building this, like I said, in an effort to make the process easier in the future, so that I can replicate this on other models. And I might even figure out, what it takes to 3D print these, and or even resin cast them if I need to. I could try to break them out into sub assemblies and cast, like, the bottom and then the sides, and the I don't know, the trans tunnel or whatever. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, something to watch and see what I'm doing. If you have any comments, criticism, critiques, whatever, put them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.